Hello everyone, this is Marco and welcome back to my channel. With this video, I'm starting a new series where I teach you how to draw dinosaurs. So today we will be drawing an INDOMINUS REX. Now to get started, I highly suggest you take a screenshot of this grid. You can print it out on a piece of paper and you'll be able to recreate exactly what I'm doing by copying every line in each square. Feel free to pause and slow down this video. So on the top left corner, we'll be starting the head, and we will progressively move down to the right and draw the rest of the body. I would like to note that once the basic shape is complete, I will be adding all the texture and shadows and lighting. I have decided to turn that part into a time lapse because the video would have turned out too long. If you want me to make a tutorial on how to make textures and lighting and shadows, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, I have news, as I will be collaborating with other YouTubers soon. There's one project in particular I am really excited about, where I will be sculpting a really cool dinosaur for an incredibly talented artist known as Sweet Foxwings. Now guys, this is a really exciting project because she is going to sculpt something for me, and I'm sculpting something for her, and we're gonna unbox our gifts on our channels. So make sure you subscribe and stick around because you don't want to miss this. It is going to be really good, guys. Anyway, I would like to remind you that this is my first video ever making a drawing tutorial. So please, if you have any questions, concerns and requests, again, let me know in the comment section down below. Feedback is very important to me. So please let me know what I can improve. And now enjoy the rest of the video. Hey, you can also buy my figures and my paintings, as well as some sick merch on Etsy. Yes, I have an Etsy shop and the link is in the description. I would like to give a massive thank you to all of my Patreons. Seriously guys, your support really does mean the world to me, as it helps me do what I love for you. You help me buy materials, and most of all, you give me a helping hand with improving the quality of the content of my videos. Even if it's just a small donation, every little helps. If you like my videos, please press the like button. And you could consider subscribing. It's free. Oh, and don't forget to press the notification bell button, because you don't want to miss any of my new stuff, right? I'm gonna say bye now, because when you gotta go, you gotta go. I will see you in the next one.